Okay, so you want to know how to set up a Tonkeeper wallet on Telegram? Well, I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is to go to tonkeeper.com and press this in Telegram button. So when you press it, it will bring you to the main screen of Telegram and you have to press send a message or opening web. This works for mobile and this works for PC. It's the same procedure, so don't worry. Okay, so once we are here, it will bring us to this bot. So we'll have to press this keeper button. In my case, I'm already logged in, so I'm going to teach you how you can create a new account. The procedure is very simple. You have to press the create new wallet button that will appear and it will bring you some words with numbers. You have to take a screenshot of those words and then save it, or you can write on paper, it doesn't matter. So once you have those words, you have to press next and then it will ask you for three of those words. So once you put those words, it will ask you to create a new password. So you create the password next, and the account will be created. As you can see, you will be able to use Tonkeeper here. In this case, I don't have any money here, but you can buy tons, send, receive, swap, buy, etc. So if this video was useful, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and see you in another easy way video.